My top 19 favorite fidget toys! There's definitely more though.
This is a very solid pen. It's very clicky though. Moving on. Whoa. This looks kind of juicy. Whatever. Oh my god. How is this so satisfying? Did I just make a whole song about that? Satisfaction. Does this look like a dandelion to you? At least. Wait. What? Huh? Whoa. Isn't this George's favorite toy? Go back to the Peppa Pig world. Next up we have... No way! It's my favorite color! Away you go. My absolute favorite. It's like SpongeBob, but in Hello Kitty's shape. Hey, what's up? It's me, the beach shell. Okay. Ooh, you are nice. Yeah, let's move on. So here we have the secret fidget toy. And how you play it is, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the ball and the orange cup, and then get the orange cup and the green thing. You have to, go do it. Oh, I got one hit. That ball right there has got to go in one of the cups. No way. Go to bed and do it. Okay. No way, guys. Yeah. Well, that was fun. Get in the car. I'm just kidding. The Lamborghini. Brum, brum. You know when we're kids and we used to play with toy cars? Well, I still like the wheels of them. They're pretty fun to fidget. Ow. Oh, it's doing the thingy. Driving away in my little Lamborghini. Please welcome my very clicky keyboard. We have these. We have this. Honestly, have you guys seen like those viral honey keyboards? Oh, I might get some honey later. My very clickety-clackety mousey. You know, Sharpie is kind of satisfying in a way. Oh, that one flew. So I have this paper. Okay, why am I playing with it? Now Sharpie, this. Okay, why did I write an N? Holy, that looks kind of creepy. We can go ahead to the next one. I don't know how to describe this. It's kind of furry, but then when you touch it, it's soft. But this is very colorful. Okay, let's move on. Calculator. If you know Dollar Shop, you'd probably know this calculator. It's from Dollar Shop. Infinity. Oh, that's nice. Is it for protection or something? Very good fidget. Whoa, look at that. And now I've got glitter all over my hands. I wonder if it's like, oh, it glows, it glows. Whoa, that's so cool. It's like a flickering light. Oh my God, it's so bright. It feels very tickly. Poor Patrick doesn't have hair. It feels like I'm giving massage. Oh, by the way, that apple.
What have you done?
The ultimate Lego tower. Okay, I'm just gonna put the light. Whoa. You've got some alligators going here. Okay, hello, little penguins. Hey, alligator! Okay, yeah, whatever. This little fidget thing. I haven't mentioned it's a police station over here. Got this little fidget. Ah! Orange fan. We've got this little fan over here. Okay, so you go that way. Yeah. So there's a little fidget here that makes sound. The whole Lego tower is shaking. Backside, got a crystal ball, 2 creepy heads, choo-choo train, a fan over here. You ready for the ending part?
What about the 20th one?
So there was a change. So now there's 22 items. It is indeed relaxing. Maybe like, oh, what was that? So I'm a little extra, so maybe this. There's the 2 capybara plushies, which is a great example of that.
You guys remember the times we used to play with spray?
Our 23rd fidget toy. Hope you enjoy all the fidgets.
Bye!